Hola! In today's episode, I'll be talking about how to create a powerful LinkedIn profile to attract the right people and create job and business opportunities for you. The photo is the first thing everyone sees in your profile. It has nothing to do with your capabilities, it has nothing to do with your skills, but still it's very important to have it right. My suggestion is, it's a photo of yourself. People can see your eyes and smile in your photo. It's an up-to-date photo. It's only you in the photo. And also, it's very important that you enable the setting that allows second or third connections to be able to see your photo. Don't get me wrong, again, I know your photo has nothing to do with your skills and capabilities, but having a good photo, it's gonna increase your opportunities for people connecting with you. At the end of the day, we're human beings and people connect with people. The header is the second thing people will see in your profile. And you want people reading your profile to know exactly what you do straight away. It should be something people understand. You don't want to have a fancy job title that nobody knows what it is. Try to keep it simple. It also should be precise and explains in detail what it is that you do. An example is, if you're a full stack developer, you can detail that you work with Java, Spring Boot, AWS, and React in the front end. For example, make sure you have the right location in your LinkedIn profile. Include the country and the city. If you are open to relocation, include 1 or 2 cities that you are considering. The About section in LinkedIn is to share with your network how you're going to be able to add value and how you're going to be able to solve problems. It is very important that you start from what you are currently doing. That's what people want to know, what it is that you have been doing lately. Also, tell your audience what it is that you do, how you do it, and why you are doing it. Your goal is that anyone that is stopping in your LinkedIn profile to start from the beginning and finish at the end. You don't want people leaving your profile without knowing what it is that you do, how you do it, and why you do it. Don't forget that LinkedIn is a great tool to showcase your experience, skills, and capabilities. Once you have it up, anyone in the world can find you and come with job opportunities or business opportunities. In the experience section, make sure that you have the company's LinkedIn page, you have the right job title, and when I mean right job title, I mean that it needs to be clean, it needs to be something that people understand what it is, and also make sure you have the correct location. Don't be lazy, spend some time putting the right information in the experience section. Make sure you explain in depth what the goal of your role is and your responsibilities. Make sure you are sharing examples on how you add value to the team and the company and what are or what have been your achievements. Also include the size of the team and the different roles that you have been interacting with in the daily basis. Don't forget to include the qualifications you have in the education section, and also don't forget to include what are your skills in the skills section. Include all the technical skills, all the soft skills, and everything that you are capable of. It's very important and something that us recruiters use a lot to understand what are the capabilities and skills of a candidate or a professional. Also, remember to include the different languages that you might speak, because again, this could be a differentiator depending on what the company or the business is looking for. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.